It's getting hot, and there's a few things I do to ensure my garden stays healthy. I'm going to show you a couple of them now. Some plants, like these eggplants, take the heat really well. Never have to worry about them. They just thrive. It doesn't matter how hot it gets. But there's a few plants that struggle a little bit, so I like to kind of give them a hand. Some of your cool weather crops, like your lettuces, they're bolting now. Cilantro, forget about it. It's flowering. It's particularly the cool weather crops that you're growing. The peas have all but withered and gone. This is where mapping out your garden or knowing how your garden is at different times of the day can be important. I've got this big tree right here, and in the afternoon, like now, it starts to cast shade. And this bed right here gets a lot of afternoon sun. It's shaded from the afternoon sun. It can be a bit of a challenge for gardeners and plants alike. And I think using the shade cloth really helps them out. I have an example of the insect netting here. The shade cloth, I'm sorry. And you can see what it's like. It's just plastic and shades the vegetables in the heat of the day. See, here's how that little row cover system works. It comes with these fiberglass shafts, flexible, and it also comes with these little metal pieces. Simple system's got a little nipple punched in here so that can only go in so far and stops. And then you just put the other side to it, the other side, and it's really flexible. So you can make this as big as you want. Seems to be fairly brand new like this. They're pretty stiff, which is good. I've had ones that I've used for a few years fling out when the wind blows, but you can make the hoop any size you need to. And let's see, yeah, and it also comes, and I think it comes with enough of these to where you can secure your shade cloth or your insect netting or type stuff right onto this and put it over your bed. So real simple to use. Just snaps on there. You put your material between this and that. Real easy to use, real simple little system, inexpensive. I'll put a link in the description below on how to get a hold of one of these. This is, I don't know how many pieces there are, but it's enough for several small beds, at least 2 big, larger beds. Real simple, cheap upgrades to your beds you can make to keep the insects and the intense heat off of your beds. That's what I do. On this end, I put up this little gate, makeshift gate here for peas and stuff to climb up. But I went ahead and I just keep it up year round. Put one of the hoops in the middle just to support it. Again, connected by those metal connectors. Real simple system, but it works. Keeps the midday sun off of these beds, these peppers. You can see the shade cloth here, and I just pull the shade cloth down over the hoop here, and just take this little connector and clip it over the shaft there, and it holds the shade cloth in place. I use this bamboo pole kind of as a stabilizer to hold that up, and also a little bamboo pole here to pull it back a little bit, or this thing wants to lean that way and I can't get it taut over the peppers. But that makes a nice little shield for them, and you can see how healthy those peppers look. How green and vibrant. I just try to get my hand if I can, and hey, that rhymed. Get my hand if I can. Anyway, yeah, it helps. I think it helps. If you see your plants starting to wilt in the afternoon, they're getting a little bit heat stressed, and a little bit of this 50% shade cloth could really help them. If you live in a location that has really hot summers, like I do, you might consider giving your plants a break. You know, they might just reward you with some beautiful produce. Give them some shade, they'll thank you for it. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you got something worthwhile out of it. If you did, maybe think about subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, it helps me. And check out one of my other videos, and leave a comment if you have any other suggestions that I could use for helping my plants through the heat of the summer. I'm sure there's a lot of them. I could use all the help I can get sometimes. I think we all can benefit from some information, can't we? So, take care. Hope to see you again. My name's Dennis.